G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at some of the D3's that are plinth in the Ballarat area. So let's get into it and start with the D3 locomotives that are stored with Steamrail Victoria in their Ballarat depot. The four D3's that are stored here are D3 608, 688, 638 and 641. D3 608 was sold by the Victorian Railways around 1963. It was plinth in a Stowell Park in a black and red colour scheme. The rods and exhaust were painted in red as well. Steamrail Victoria acquired the loco in the 1980s, and it was transferred to Ballarat for storage. The loco had been stripped down, and in more recent years, D3 608 had been stored at the Ballarat Locomotive Depot. D3 688 was originally plinth in a park in Rosebud in 1964, along with sister D3 638, which was also plinth in Rosebud. D3 688 was then acquired by West Coast Railway and transferred to the Ballarat East Locomotive Depot site for storage together with the sister locos. D3 641 was also plinth in a park in Beaufort. This was plinth there in 1964 and was then also obtained by West Coast Railway. And now the four D3's are plinth next to the Ballarat main line for onlookers to have a look at these historical locomotives. And also to promote Steamrail Victoria for you to get behind one of their heritage trains and ride behind a D3 that survived today, D3 639. Now the locos that are here were actually at the front of the depot, unpainted and untouched in a very different condition. Steamrail Victoria used their white glass to actually shut these locos into the new position, and then later on they got the paint job so they look much better line side for the people who are going past on the main line. The locos are also accompanied with passenger carriage ABL 45 and guards van 1CV. Now let's get to our fifth D3 of the video. This is the Ballarat North Workshops. But stored at the front is what we're interested in, D3 653. This locomotive was built in Newport in 1908, and the locomotive was plinth here at the entrance in 1964. The loco is plinth in a maroon style livery, very similar to the Canadian red which we've seen on D3 639 before. This is obviously just not as spruced up. Interestingly, the headlight, the marker lights, and the locomotive number plates are still featured on this plinth loco. Really great to see our old Victorian Railway heritage outside the new facilities. A way to remind ourselves of how far we've really come. Alright, thanks for watching another Plinthed Loco video. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video guys. Take care and peace.